Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So if you've been here before, you'll know this hair color is a little different, but I don't have time to talk about it because I made this intro so short. So we're gonna hop in. I'm starting with the eyes because I've already done my face makeup off camera just to save y'all from that. I do have a little bit of new stuff I do on my face, but this is just gonna be mainly about eyes. So we're jumping into the Naked Urban Decay Honey palette, and this is the only palette I'm using in this video. Unlike normal, I use a lot, but this is the only one for now. So we are going to jump in and we are going to use the color Sweet, and it's just the lightest brown, so for whatever works for you, a light brown is gonna just be the best, and we put that on the crease and the brow bone just to make it a transition shade. It's not really anything other than that. So you'll kind of see it doesn't really add much to the look, but it's all about the building. So we have that side, it's a little bit different, not really, kinda. Again, I'm sure y'all know about transition shades and how they work. So we're just gonna put that on the other eye, which I apologize in advance for me doing this, but you're gonna see a lot of that. So it's gonna be, now we're going into Swarm, and with Swarm we're gonna put that into the crease and a little bit onto the lid, but not purposely, just mainly on the crease. And then we're gonna go into the other eye again. I feel like it's implied, but I don't know if y'all wanna see me go into the other eye or not. This is my first time doing a voiceover, and I've already done this voiceover like 7 times already, so please bear with me. I am trying my best, I promise. So now we are going to go into the color Amber, and with Amber I tried to take the fluffy brush and for lighter application have it apply on my outer corner and into my crease, because when I applied it on my hand it was very thick and dark, so I actually decided this color just wasn't gonna work, so it wouldn't apply with a fluffy brush, and I just didn't want that. So Amber was a no-go, but I jump into Keeper, which is the next color up, and I use Keeper in the same exact spot on my outer corner and into the crease kind of lid area. And I do need to really pack it on. As you'll see, I really kind of pack in, but this color adds so much to the look, so just be patient, it will work. And then we're gonna go into the colors I used before, which are Swarm and Sweet. As you can see, I just go into both and apply those to make the look more even and bring those colors back in and not have them get forgotten about in all of the other shades. So now we're gonna go into Queen, and Queen is really just to add a little extra depth to the look, so I take that on the fluffy brush, kind of same vibe as Amber, and just lightly apply it, since it is on a fluffy brush instead of a packing brush, on the outer part of my eye, because it will just add a tiny bit since it is that big fluffy brush. And apply that just like that, not in the crease too much either, because you don't want too much depth. You want to really keep those colors individualized. So now we're gonna go in with a flat brush. I'm sorry it's only dirty because I used it before to check how these colors would turn out, and I did spray my brush down with water so that the gold would try to kind of apply better. I don't know, as you'll see right now I apply it over the whole eye, but like the brush just wasn't working. Like I was really applying, I kept dipping in. It might just be the brush, I might need new brushes, but who knows. I just wasn't really feeling it, so I ended up going in and instead using my finger because I couldn't take it anymore. So I pack on the color Golden with my finger, and then I put on HBIC with my finger on the outer corner to reapply that depth, since I put Golden all over my eye. And then after that, you'll see your fingers get a little gross, and it's really good to clean them off because of the fact that it starts getting muddy and really not even applying the shadow anymore. So I now use reusable cotton pads, which I took a while to find, but I'm glad I did, because I'm really trying to slowly but surely just use better products and try to not use so much waste with like constant makeup wipes and stuff. So the micellar water didn't work either at first, but now it does, and I am all ready to go, and we're done with that little break and getting back into the makeup, and I am just gonna do the other side of my face with all of the colors you've already seen before. I know you guys seen it, but just gonna go back and do it. So I don't even know if I add the whole thing, but you guys get it. So really making it quick. Now I go into Flyby in my inner corner and just pat that in with a clean finger. And now I go in with this big old fluffy brush, and I'm going to take it and put it to where I can get rid of all that extra powder underneath my eyes that I was using for baking and collecting fallout. Kind of rub into the skin too, just to re-up myself. Now that we're all done with that, we're gonna go back into doing the eyes with the Naked Honey brush, and we're gonna use the flat end. And we're gonna go into the shade Keeper because it's just dark enough to really add some depth underneath and make me not look crazy, because I feel like if I don't put that color under there, it's just weird. So now we're gonna do the Maybelline Great Lash, and it's in the color brown. And that is all done, as you can see. It's not fake lashes or anything, just regular old lashes. And now we're gonna go into this e.l.f. little combo pack and use the super hot pink they have. This blush part doesn't matter. If you have a hot pink, it's gonna look pretty much the same. And I do reapply a different color blush later, but this is the hot pink I use for now. And then I am going to dip into this Tarte palette that I have, because I have like no highlighters, and will be getting some, but not right now in all this craziness. So use that little pearl highlighter and apply it into the normal places you apply highlighter, just because it's kind of getting back into being summer too. I feel like highlighter kind of like comes back because you're gonna be sweating more, and that's like the whole thing. It's like natural light, I don't know. So it's all applied. We're gonna go into this Ciati blush, super purpley and blue, just to tone down that hot pink a little, because with the gold it was doing maybe just a little bit too much. So flatten that down with the flat brush and just really apply some bronzer in there after that, just to re-up it again. Like, I feel like while doing your makeup, like sometimes stuff just goes awry, or you realize like you need more of something than something else. And now that we're all done with that, we're gonna do lips. I'm going to use the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Nude, and just applying like you normally apply lip liner, obviously. And I should have put on a lipstick, but I didn't, so I just used this Iconic London Plumping Gloss, and it was actually in the color Nearly Nude. I don't know, I just used all the nudes, I guess, today. So apply that on, even though I should have used a gloss, or a lipstick, my bad, and just keep blending that in. Cactus water to set my face, even though it's not really perfect, it works for now once again. And we're feeling fresh, we're feeling fine. We're gonna pat that in with that flat brush once again. And that, my friends, is the complete look. As you see here, I'm all done, I'm looking good, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back with some more videos later, but for now, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.